this video, we will show how to create a block schedule. This student enjoys working on several lessons in one course every day. On the Hub, you can schedule up to 3 lessons per day and even have an alternating schedule from week to week. Here we begin by assigning the textbook course Science to the 6th grade student. We will work on this 2 days a week, Monday and Wednesday, and choose 3 lessons per day. Notice how the projected end date changes. This will help you know if you need to schedule more days into your school year or if you will finish before your online or DVD course will expire. Going to the calendar, we see the block schedule we have assigned to this student. We see math is done every day and the other subjects are on a different schedule. The Hub allows you the flexibility to schedule courses on an alternating schedule. Here in the 6th grader, we assigned English as an alternating schedule for 2 weeks. This allows you to change the days of the week for this subject for the following week. On alternating week schedules, the system has no limit to the number of weeks you can schedule out, but the number of lessons per day remain the same for all weeks. From the dashboard of the 6th grade student, we can see each course and the next available lesson. Notice that the student has late lessons. Since the dashboard is designed to keep the student on track, it will continue to show the student those late lessons. It will not skip days. It simply moves the student along to the next available set of lessons in each course. Once the student is caught up, we can see here from this student that the dashboard is showing there are no lessons for the day in literature. The dashboard will show the block schedule if the student stays caught up on the lessons scheduled on the calendar. To get a better view of the block schedule, we view the calendar. This will show you and the student what courses are scheduled on what day. Even if the student is late or ahead, they can still work from the calendar when using this type of schedule.